day one, starting a master bathroom. So it's 8 feet by 4 feet. There's going to be a corner bench over here. There's going to be a corner bench over there. There's going to be a niche here and a niche here. Okay, day one, starting a master bathroom, and I'm going to see if I can upload a video every day as the progress of this bathroom as I'm getting along. So I just got here, I brought up some tools. Just a level, some cordless tools. I got my hydro board over here, and now I got this shower to do. It's 8 feet by 4 feet. There's going to be a corner bench over here. There's going to be a corner bench over there. There's going to be a niche here and a niche here, and 2 drains. One drain here and one drain there. So I'm going to have to make it so in the middle, when any water gets in the middle, it's going to either go one way or the other, because I don't want any pooling in the middle. I want the water to drain completely down. So first thing I'm going to do is check the alignment of these studs and see if I'd have to do any shimming. So let's check these studs, see how we're doing here. This one's a half inch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, so this stud is sticking out. I'm gonna have to shave this one down. And this stud here up high is sticking out. I'm gonna have to shave that down too. So let's get going with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a planer set to the maximum depth. To shave down that stud. So I'm going to shave down the stud. It's kind of, it's twisted, so this corner is sticking out, so I'm going to shave this down. Okay, so I got all the studs shaved down, and now I'm good all the way across, except for that one stud that I'm gonna have to shim out. Okay, last piece. Just gonna put a screw in those spots. So, then we'll put the board up basically. Few screws in. Okay, be the sealant. Okay, so that's it for me today. For today, I got the hydroband board up. So I got all the hydroband board up. It's all sealed. It's don't need any banding. The sealer is what creates a waterproof seal at the corners and at the seams. I got the curb on. Tomorrow we're going to do the mud. So if you want to know exactly how to do this, I will link to a video in the cards and the end screen that shows exactly all the details on how to install a Hydraband board shower. So anyway, that's it for today, for day one.